Make $300 per 10 minutes with this free app. Can you imagine earning hundreds of dollars every 10 minutes? Yes, it is totally possible with the help of this amazing tool, which we will show you in the video. With this amazing software, you can make money online in the comfort of your home. Stay with us till the end to find out about this amazing app through which you can earn online. Make sure you subscribe and like before we dive into the details. In this video, we are going to introduce you to an app that can help you make $300 per 10 minutes. Sounds cool, right? The app we are going to talk about today will do all of the hard work for you, and you can earn hundreds of dollars. The affiliate strategy of this site is interesting and uncommon in a way that the user is not supposed to share these links anywhere. You would not have to spam Facebook and Twitter with links, make videos, or any other such work. The site we are going to tell you about will do all of the work for you. Before we give you a step-by-step tutorial, let us show you a website that really pays an affiliate commission. The website is known as jvzoo.com. What makes it different from other such websites is that it offers a variety of products other than the usual digital and physical ones. Another fantastic feature of the website is its diverse payment methods. Most of us use PayPal, but for people living in Asia and Africa, it does not work. So people from different locations can benefit from the wide range of payment options. After you come to jvzoo.com, the first thing to do is create an account. In the upper right corner, click on the Start for free. Enter all your basic details like you do for other websites and create an account. Verify your email and select the payment method that suits you the most. When you are done with the registration, and sign in to your JVZOO account, the information about your earnings, visitors, gross revenue, sales, etc. will appear on your dashboard. You want to promote products as an affiliate and earn. For that, you need to click on Affiliates over here. Click on Find Products. This will lead you to another page having thousands of products that you can promote. The best thing about this website is that you get a handful of useful information about the products. For example, you will know about the launch dates, number of sold items, conversion rate, etc. EPC is another interesting fact to consider. It tells you the amount earned per click on that specific affiliate link. Average price should be also kept in mind. Cheap products do not make a lot of money. In the list of all these factors, the most important is the refund rate. Make sure that the product you select has a refund rate of less than 10%. The products with high refund rates point out that they are not satisfactory enough, and that is why people are returning them. So high refund rates won't make you enough money. Out of all the things we mentioned above, a higher number of sold items is really important. With a high number of sold items, you already know that more people are willing to buy this product without thinking about other statistics. Let's have a brief revision of what we need to keep in mind. A conversion rate higher than 10%, refund rate lower than 5%, and an average price of about $40. You may also want to consider the launch date of a product. Newer products are always a better option over promoting older ones. As you can see, clicking on a category opens a list of several categories offered by the website. There are so many options to choose from, and this is what makes it the best. We will be choosing the business and finance category. Whatever product you choose, just make sure that it has excellent statistics. Here's a product that has all the stats we need. Open up the page, and here we can see this product's commission. This commission is amazing. After selecting the product, you will have to request for approval in order to receive the affiliate link. When requesting for the link, we can tell them about our expertise in marketing and specific product, and we can get sales on the page. Now, verify that you are not a robot and click the request approval. There are so many ways at our disposal that we can use to promote this product. Social media is one of the most common yet powerful ways. Facebook groups have thousands of members, and by posting the link in these groups, you actually get a lot of great results. We went to the Make Money online group as it belongs to our niche. Instagram and Twitter can also be used to promote affiliate links. We can post the link in our Instagram bio or use Twitter to reach out to people who also want to make money online. These are good methods, but not the best. Want to find out the best way to earn money through affiliate links without having to do anything at all? Stay tuned to find out. As we discussed in the beginning of the video, we are going to search a tool which will bring loads of traffic to your link without having to do anything. All you need to do is enter keywords from your particular niche in this software. A viral video will be created to which you will have to add the affiliate link. Now leave everything to this tool because it's going to do all the work for you. Using this tool strengthens your passive income streams as it requires no work, effort, or experience. All you need to do is sit back and let it do your work while you earn money. The link to this tool is available in the description box, and you can get it for less than $20. If you enjoyed the video and want to see much more of this content, give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to smash and subscribe and share icons. Thank you for staying till the end. See you next time with a cooler video.